Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily copy and paste edits from one picture to another on Lensa app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app. On Lensa, in order to add a photo here, you can tap at that plus sign that moves you to the camera roll, and from here you can select any photo, let it be that one, and once you have selected a photo, you can just hit on add to bring up editor mode. On editor mode, you can make any changes with that photo. You can highly improve photos quality, and the first thing that I recommend you to do is to use magic retouch feature. You can just by tapping at one of these four presets add a bunch of different filters to the photo. See how it looks like. You can just tap at any of that presets, and I think you got the point, because there are a lot of different changes if you compare this picture with the original. You can hit on reset to see the original quality of that picture, and then you can apply one of that filter packs. After that, once you did that, you can continue editing this picture. You can add here some effects. In that way, you can select, for example, that effect or that one. I like that one, and let's see, let me try another. So let me keep that effect, and once you have made a lot of different changes with the photo, and let's say you want to copy all the edits and then use them at your another picture, all you have to do is just hit right here at three dots, and from here you can hit at copy edits. So all that edits of that photo has just been copied, and now you can use them on your another photo. You can right here hit at save button to save this picture to your camera roll, by the way, and after that you can move on to your photos. You can open up any photo from here, or you can upload a new one. Let it be that one, for example. And once the editor mode has opened, you can hit at three dots icon, and now you are able to use paste edits feature. Just hit on that to add the same effects to that specific photo. You can hit right here at three dots and select reset all edits to see the original photo, and then you can again hit on paste edits to apply all the effects to new photo. Once you did that, you can continue editing the photo using all these tools, all the filters, and once you finished with that, just hit on save to save this photo to your camera roll. Then you can hop out Lensa, open up photos, and right here at recents you can easily find the photo that you have just saved. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.